Starting university is exciting, but let's be honest, it can also be a bit overwhelming. New city, new classes, so many new faces, and this pressure to instantly find your people. It's a lot. But the good news, uni is one of the best opportunities you'll ever have to meet amazing people. You don't have to rush it. If you're worried about making friends, you're not alone. Everyone's feeling the same way, even if they look like they've got it all figured out. Let's get straight into it. Making friends in uni isn't about luck. It's about showing up, speaking up, and taking tiny steps outside your comfort zone. Go to your lectures, seminars, even the awkward welcome events. You don't have to be the most outgoing person. Just being present gives you a chance to connect. Think about it. Thousands of people, some your age, some younger, some older, from different places with different interests, with so much to offer all in one spot. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to find your people, especially your course mates. These are the people you spend the most time with in lecture halls and seminar rooms, and you all chose the same subjects and courses. That's already one thing in common. Strike up a conversation. By striking up a conversation with someone, you will always leave having learned something new. Whether it's about the person you're talking to, their experiences, or where they're coming from, or maybe sometimes even just about the course that you're doing. Invite someone for coffee, form a study group, or grab lunch after class. Let that friendship grow. Societies and clubs are the fastest way to find people who share interests. Uni has so many. From the Shakespeare Society to a skydiving society, join one or five. You don't have to be amazing at the activity. Just being involved gives you a reason to show up regularly and meet like-minded people. Your uni wants you to meet people. That's why they plan a million events. There's always something happening in and around campus. You'll have no trouble finding events to attend and RSVP to. Go to the quiz nights, movie screenings, cultural fairs, everything. Check the SRC website page or app for event info, and you can follow societies on Instagram to get regular updates as well. Making friends at uni isn't about having it all figured out. It's about showing up, reaching out, and taking small steps every day. You've got this. Feeling overwhelmed at first? It's completely normal. You're stepping into something new. But remember, uni gives you this incredible chance to build friendships that can last a lifetime.